Okay, here is a very quick tutorial on using Screencast-o-matic. I have an account, so I logged in. You can log in with a Google account. You can create your own. You launch the screen recorder. If your browser doesn't show you something that it's doing anything, it comes up with something down here at the bottom so that you can download it. It is an exe file, so you may or may not be able to install it yourself. You might have to get help from tech for that, so definitely test it out before you are ready to make any videos. So right now I am making a video, and I have it set to show my entire screen, so you will see whatever I do. If I minimize windows, open up new ones, close them, I can turn on the camera. So this little box down here at the bottom shows you that you have screen recording on. If you click on it, it will pause your recording, and then you can just restart. It's actually what I did. You can also see down here in the corner there is a kind of a faded pause button. So if I want to show you how to use a resource, then I can just use that, open that window, whether it's Word document, this is the Firefox window, whatever. Can open an article. I'll just use this for demonstration purposes. So one thing you want to do when you are recording your screen is make sure that you aren't scrolling too fast. If you ordinarily do that, then practice a little bit going slow. Also, you want to let people know what you're doing. So if you're looking for something on the page, or you need to click on a button, or type in a search box, for example, I've come over to the top right to the search box for this pocket window, and I'm going to just type Corona and click Enter to search. So that demonstrates a search function. Good thing to know when you're doing a demonstration of an e-resource, for example. So that is a quick thing to get you started. Stay tuned for more videos.